A strong, 6.2 magnitude earthquake shook the central Italian province of Perugia in the middle of the night Wednesday. Its rumbles felt in Rome almost 70 miles away, the U.S. Geological Survey reported. The tremor was recorded at around 3:30 a.m. Wednesday local time, 9:30 p.m. ET Tuesday, about 5 miles from the city of Norcia. No damage or injuries were immediately reported, but the USGS said the quake had the potential to cause significant casualties. The Perugian newspaper Corriere dell'Umbria reported that the quake was felt all across central Italy. It said an emergency National Operations Committee was being set up in Rome to coordinate relief efforts.